There's more of the trail. We're just walking along. Silver Spring. It's really pretty. Crossroads Garden. They said there's some monkeys here, but they're not very nice. And we saw turtles, an alligator, ibis, some other birds, ducks. This is a splash pad.
I was thinking, but I don't know. Natural splash pad somehow.
That's cute. No things to walk through. Look up at those trees.
Whoa, that's kind of crazy, actually.
Oh, water's falling down.
Oh, we should be standing in the
Big leaves. These plants, I feel like I'm in the Jurassic Park. Someone getting married?
Well, I guess the ballroom was the
Reception?
plan B. Yeah. Maybe they got through the ceremony. Maybe they didn't.
Someone's getting married or something. We saw a bunch of people in the ballroom.
It's a good spot. In theory.
Rains every afternoon. Look at these.
I don't know if I've seen those before.
Yeah, crazy, right? The leaves are black.
There's the mansion.
There's a mansion where they were doing concerts. He was talking about they had a bunch of concerts. Shania Twain, Jimmy Buffett, a bunch of people have come here and sung. Was it Joan Jett?
Yeah.
This park has done a lot of stuff, a lot of history. And right now the waters are going down, and it's a problem. What?
Spider webs.
Spider webs. At least it's not as hot, although I am dying.
Yeah.
Florida's so humid. And it just rained.
Melting, but could be melting worse.
We could be melting way worse. These trees.
It's got to be a split, isn't it?
Bench up there.
The water refill thing, I wonder if this is the spring water.
Yeah.
Not really a reason for it not to be.
It's really cute. It's a really well kept park. Alright, we should probably walk back.
Yeah.
Alright.